Okay, you're going to show me how you do your kicking?
Okay, so when I go for a swim and when I go backstroke, so when I'm swimming, so my preferred swimming is freestyle and also backstroke. And today I realised after coming to see you, to be more in tune with my body, I realised that when I do backstroke, I'm actually kicking, my legs kick that way.
Well,
They're not actually straight.
Okay.
They're actually
That's
twisted.
part of that twist in your pelvis.
But I've never realised that before until you've identified
Sitting up for us.
the you know, the rotation in my hips.
Yeah.
So I think I've forever swum like that and not realised until I've just now been in tune with my body more since I've known you.
Lying down on the stomach for us.
Oh, look at my hair.
What period?
2 years.
In the last 2 years. So how many Ks did you do a couple of weeks ago?
125k.
125k, yeah. Well, that's pretty good distance, isn't it? And so she developed some excruciating low back pain. She's been in for a few sessions now. It's got better.
Yep.
And she's got some few neck issues too, which we've dealt with a little bit. So what was the furthest you ran at any one time?
55 kilometres.
55, yeah, okay. That's pretty good. How long did that take you?
5 hours and 30 minutes.
5 hours, yeah.
I did that for my 55th birthday. I ran a kilometre for every year.
55th?
On my 55th birthday.
I thought it might have been your 45th.
Feels like my 105th now at this point.
When you first came in, it was 150th.
It was when I first came. Now I'm getting better now for sure.
Working on things, making you more aware of your body.
100%. Is it worse?
Your neck? That's a little bit better.
Oh, great.
Yeah. So you can feel those vertebrae down through here are all twisted, tight, stiff. They've been there for years.
Yeah, I think so too.
Now, when you come in next, Nicola, can you bring that MRI report in?
Yes, sure.
Because I haven't got a copy of it. Feel those tight glutes, tight gluteus medius and piriformis.
So the piriformis goes underneath the gluteus, does it?
Piriformis.
Yeah.
Yep.
Underneath.
So piriformis goes from your sacrum out to the top of your femur there.
Okay.
It basically externally rotates your leg.
Okay.
And gluteus medius, it stabilises your pelvis in this direction. So when you're running, these gluteus medius have got to be strong to stop your pelvis tilting too much.
Yeah, right. So with that in mind then, would I need to do some more strengthening exercises, do you think?
I'd say more stretching for you.
More stretching.
More stretching for you because yours are over contracted and deconditioned. So you can feel that one through there.
Yeah, so what's that, the vertebrae?
That's the vertebra.
Yeah.
That's the twisted vertebra.
Oh, can we twist that back?
Yep.
Not today. Over time?
Yes.
So you think that's been there for quite some time, eh?
Quite some time, yeah. Particularly when we saw those results of your MRI that showed that you had quite a bit of osteoarthritic change down there.
Oh, yeah, I feel like that.
Yeah, so how did your bike ride go on the weekend?
Actually really good, I really enjoyed it.
Yep. Where'd you go?
My hips were really good. Jamboree. So I went for a nice sort of, I kept it as flat as I could.
Yep.
There was obviously a few hills there, but I just had an easy gear all the way.
Right.
I didn't push myself with the harder gears at all. I actually cycled 28 kilometres.
28?
Probably a bit too more than you probably recommended, but actually I felt good, my hips were really good.
So who do you cycle with?
Me.
Just you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a bit of a loner actually when it comes to training.
Yeah.
I like to run on my own, I like to cycle on my own, and I obviously swim.
when somebody else does something wrong.
Yeah, right.
And I used to do a few of those long rides from Sydney to Wollongong, Sydney to Jamboree, and there's quite a few bad crashes in there.
Yeah. Actually, that's when I discovered my neck was playing up, because I did the Sydney to Wollongong too.
Oh yeah.
Probably, I'll just have to check my calendar, but probably a good 8 years ago.
Yeah.
And that's when my neck started playing me up, really, honestly. You're okay swimming on your own in the pool or in the ocean, but then when you're doing the events like the triathlons, you're at high risk of injury.
We're just checking Nicola's leg length there. She's short on that right side, which generally means the pelvis is twisted back on the right side and then forward on the left side. So we're just going to use the couch to lift up. Okay. Good, and we'll recheck that leg length. Perfect.
Have it come down?
Yeah.
That's so amazing. Oh my god.
It is.
Don't you have one of those for my neck?
Yeah, that's right. Right. So have you ever had any foot problems?
I rolled my ankle about 7 months ago, my right ankle.
Yeah.
But nothing really major after that or before.
I'm just using the impulse adjusting instrument on Nicola's tight joints. That's what it looks like there.
I've been on my best behaviour since I met you. I've not ran yet and I'm itching to run.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for the okay. Are we still waiting?
I'm still waiting till the end of the week.
Oh, wait.
Waiting till the end of the week.
Pardon?
You can have a bike ride, you can have a swim.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you slowly over onto the back there.
Okay. My favourite bit.
Okay. You just relax.
Oh, it's my arms, I never know.
Just put them in your tummy. Okay. Good. You're better at this than you realise.
Ooh.
Good. Now we're just working on Nicola's knee here. See, it's a bit of a sore knee at times from too much running. So quite often with knees, the patella doesn't track up and down and feel groove properly.
I'm learning heaps. I should take notes.
Yeah, take notes.
I did a shorthand course in 1995. I wonder if I
See,
can remember anything.
Yeah.
Oh no, not 1995. What we're talking about? 1986.
Right, yeah. Now,
Okay.
just going to use this on your couple of ribs there. Good.
I'm alive.
You're going to put your arms up like that. Yep. Good. Okay. Now, you just drop forward a little bit, breathe in, and breath out. A little bit more. Good. It's tight through there.
Very tight. Didn't it go in there?
No, it's very tight.
Maybe I'm made of metal.
Sometimes women that are buxom get tight thoracic spine. Yeah.
Well, my job is very forward though, don't forget.
Yeah.
Like I'm a courier driver, so I'm always driving like this.
Always forward.
I'm always forward lifting.
Yeah, let's have a look at your neck movement there. Turn around the left. Good. Around the right. Good. You're fixed. Well done. Good job.
Oh.